All right, here we go, bud. Right? We got to do a quick video check to check on the state of our comb here. We're going to have some friends check it out for us. You know, maybe we'll do this one. We'll wait on that one. Start. Oh, wait, no, that's not new. That's new stuff. All right, what do we got here? All right, looks like we've got some maybe larvae and then a lot of nectar, maybe. And then not much going on in this guy. And then we've got, that must be brood. And then nectar surrounding it. We fed these bees a few days before coming to move the hive, so there's just a ton of nectar in this box right now. All right, now slide number 2. All right, so we got a lot of brood. And then again, you know, some nectar, and then they started to cap it because, you know, we were feeding them like crazy. Gave them half a gallon over the course of 4 days. They were pretty happy. Yeah.
What's the honey? The nectar.
So we're a little mixed up with everything because they're pretty happy. I'm gonna move this brood to the front of the box here, so we'll put the nectar in the back. So I'll pull that one out in just a second. Let's move this brood back up to the front. And then all right, now then this is the second sheet. As you can see, just tons of honeycomb. Now there's some brood there. There's that cap, yeah. Yeah, and then just tons of nectar and honey.
Dad, will you put the roof on?
Just a minute, bud. All right, and then here, I haven't found the queen yet. We've been looking. All right, let's take another look here. Well, we'll move some bees over first, though, right? Got to get them out of the old box and into this new box. I haven't really been looking, so here we go. It's kind of same situation. Some spotty brood here. I don't really know why, but the other brood looks pretty good. I don't know. Then again, this is my first beehive, so maybe I don't even know what I'm looking at here. And then again, more nectar. Come on, guys. All right, one more tray here. We got some brood and some larvae.
Don't forget some honey.
Yeah. I haven't found the queen yet. These guys have been pretty busy the last few days. They were really happy with the bee feeder. Maybe I'll take a look and see what's right there. Maybe I'll get lucky and there'll be a queen in there.
Mama.
So some more brood, I'm assuming here. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm looking at, but I didn't see any drone cells or queen cells. This box was just starting, the owl box, I'll show you. This owl box, they were just beginning to beard on the outside of it, so we figured it was time. They split again last time. Let's see here. I don't see a queen, maybe. No. Life's greatest mysteries, I guess. Where's the queen? Alright, well, that's it. We're gonna try to move these bees over, and then we'll leave them be.